everyone, so today we will talk about this question, minimum remove to make a valid parenthesis. So basically in this question, let us read the description. So we are given a string s of left parenthesis, right parenthesis and then lowercase English characters. Okay, your task is to remove minimum number of parentheses that is from left or right in any position so that the resultant parenthesis is valid and return any valid string. Okay, formally a parenthesis string is valid only if it is an empty string contain only lowercase characters. That is the first. Second is it can be written A and B are A concatenated with B, where A and B are valid strings. And third can be it can be written as left parenthesis A, right parenthesis, where A is a valid string. Okay. So let us see some examples. So they are given A, B, C, D. Suppose this is there. Now if you can see, if you remove this right parenthesis, you will be getting a basically a valid string. Okay, so it be balanced. This is the balanced string. By removing this, you will be getting balanced string. Okay. Now for this example, you can see if you remove all, then only your string will be balanced. So if you remove all this, then this is the empty string which is valid string. Okay. So in this example, you can see if you remove the leftmost left parenthesis, then you can see we'll be getting a valid string. So basically this is valid string. So this is a valid string because you can see this is balanced with this and this both are balanced here. Okay. So that's it for the explanation. Now your task is to write the code by yourself. One hint I can give is try to implement this by using a stack. Okay, that is only one hint. So you can start coding. So here is the code solution. So let us see. So first of all, we are creating a stack. We are calling that stack as st. Okay, we are making a stack and then we are running this for loop. Okay, let's see what we are doing in this for loop. So basically we'll be iterating this string. We are taking this example for our understanding. So we are taking this string, we will be iterating. So suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the indexes. So basically we will be iterating from index 0 to s dot length -1, and we'll be searching two conditions. First is left parenthesis and second is right parenthesis. If we are seeing a left parenthesis, then we are simply going to push that index value in this stack. Okay, and if we are getting right parenthesis, then we are checking condition. If it is already empty, then we are going to change the index, basically the value at that index at hashtag. We are putting that this symbol. Okay, else we are just popping that element from the stack. Okay, so let us iterate this. So we'll be getting this. We'll be doing nothing because there is no condition for the characters. We'll be reaching here. Okay, we are getting right parenthesis. Now we are getting right parenthesis. We are going this and we are in this condition, and then we are checking this condition. If it is empty, yes, the stack is already empty. Then what we are going to do? We are simply going to get in this position in this string, and we are going to update that. So our string will be updated like A hashtag B, C and D, like this. It will be now the new string will be in this form. Okay. Now again, what we are doing? Again, we are going to iterate in the forward direction, and we'll be reaching here, and we'll be getting left parenthesis. So we know that if we are getting left parenthesis, then we are going to simply push our index value in the stack. So our index value, which is 3, is pushed in this stack. Okay, so there is one element in the stack. Now again we will be iterating and we'll be stopping at this position index 5, and we'll be getting right parenthesis. Now right parenthesis value condition is checked here. The stack is not empty, it contains some values. If it contains some values, then simply pop that element. So we are just going to pop that element. Now again our stack again become empty. Okay, now stack is empty. Now this for loop is done. Now we are going to check this condition. Basically this condition is for those when we have some elements in the stacks. We have some element in the stack field, and basically those values are opening parenthesis, which comes, suppose we have some other elements like this at the end, then we'll be having some values in the stack. For removing those values, we are going to use this. Okay, now you can see if stack is empty, If stack is not empty, then just run this. Okay, sd top for that index, whatever, suppose this index is 7, 8, 9, and for those we'll be putting hashtags here. Okay, if those left parentheses are present in the string. If it is not present, then we are not going to do anything here because our stack is already empty. Okay, if it is not empty, then we are going to do this step. Okay, now for the third step, what we are doing is we are simply making a string answer, and we are just iterating in this string, and we are checking if we are not getting, if the string is not equal to hashtag, then we simply going to push. So suppose we are making answer here, and we are starting our iteration here, and you can see in this string basically we will be iterating our updated string. So you can see we are going to push, simply we are going to push A because it is not hashtag, then we are simply going to push B because 0, 1 index value is hashtag, so we will be not pushing that. Okay, and then we are going to push left parenthesis C, right parenthesis D. So this is the solution. Okay, I hope you got the basic explanation of the video. So we'll meet in the next video with another such problems.